In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install BibleShow program on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open any browser that you wish to use. And from here, go ahead and just search for BibleShow like that. And here we have BibleShow. So BibleShow is a free software for script projection in English and many other international languages. And as you can see, this is the official website and this is the download page for it. So I can just go to the official website, BibleShow, and by clicking on it, you'll be taken to this interface. This is where we shall do our downloads. To download it, go ahead and click on download here. You can see you have this option to download. And here we have various versions that you can choose from, with the latest being on top here. And here you can see the details and the version dates displayed here. So you'll want to choose the latest version. So I'll go ahead and choose this latest version that is on top. And as you can see, the latest one is the one recommended. You can also see we have languages and various Bible versions that are available here. So you can go ahead and choose your version and then proceed and download here. Alternatively, you can just download straight from here. And once you have downloaded, you'll be able to add all the other versions that you wish. So I've clicked on the latest version and the download process is on. And once done, you can click on the folder containing the file and then double click on it to run the installation. So here I'll click on next and then scroll down and to agree to the license agreement terms by clicking on I agree here. And finally, you can change the destination or you can leave it to the default destination that is under program files. Go ahead and click on install and it will go ahead and extract all the files and install it. So you can see we have already the shortcut here, but the installation process is not yet complete. You have to be patient until it is done. And once done, now you can see we have the completion wizard here. I'm told, as you can see, the installation has been done successfully. Go ahead and click on finish here, and then go ahead and double click on your BibleShow shortcut program here to launch it and add any versions of the Bible that you wish. So that's how you can install BibleShow on your Windows computer. Down below, I've left a link on how you can add various Bible versions on this program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.